Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Khan Technical School. Today in this video, I will teach you that how you can use the music and tune for your YouTube channel videos without copyright issue and fair use of music and tunes. And from where you can download it and there is no problem of copyright. Watch the video till end and please subscribe the channel. First of all, you must be open YouTube on your laptop, PC, desktop. After this, go to right side on your screen. Here you find your profile photo and then click on YouTube Studio. Click on YouTube Studio option. After this, go to your screen on left side. Here you will find the option Audio Library. Click on it. Now you can see you will find numerous music and tune. A lot of music and tunes available for your YouTube channel videos. You can listen to them by playing them from here, and if you like them, you will get the download option on the right side of the same tune. Here you can find the download option and download it and use it as background in your YouTube channel videos. Use as music, use as a tune, you will not get any copyright issue. Here you can see a lot of music and tune available. Use as music and tune for your YouTube channel videos without copyright affair. I hope you like my video, so please subscribe my channel Khan Technical School for more informative video like this.